Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow free guest posting backlink on this website. So the website name is sumssolution.com. So this is a website URL and this is a website dashboard, and I can also provide this website URL over the description section, so where you guys will access easily. And before this started, we can do some research about this site. So according to website SEO checker, the domain authority is 54 and the spam score is only 1%, and this website is 2.2 years old. Okay, according to similar web, this website having 32.1k monthly traffic, and mostly traffic from India, Pakistan, UK and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic, so if you wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of country, then must you guys will consider this site for your guest posting. And the thing is, this site will providing a contextual do follow free guest posting. Okay, so this is a best option for you guys, so you guys will consider this site for your article submission or anything. So now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on the login button, and you can click on the sign up option if you don't have account, and there you guys will add your all details. So there you can add your username, your first name, and after that you guys will choose your email address, then you guys will choose your password, and after that you can click on the submit button. After this, this site will send you the verification email, so you guys will verify your profile. So they might send in spam a folder. So I received, and you can see this is the link. You can click on this link and your account is successfully activated. After that you can fill the details and you can click on the login button. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co. This is a dashboard of this website, so where you guys will publish your articles. So simply you can click on the add new post button, and I have already generated article about this traditional versus virtual interviewing. So let me open this. Let me take a screenshot so where I can use this screenshot for my feature image, article feature image. So that's why I'm doing these things earlier. Okay, so now we did this thing for the feature image. So this is your article dashboard. So simply there you can add your article title. So this is my article title. If you guys have forget this thing, so let me start again. So when you log in on this website, so you can find that kind of interface. So simply you can click on the add new post button, and you guys will redirect on this interface. Okay, so there you guys will add your title. So let me add my title, and this is a content what I have already generated. So let me post as it is. And you guys will optimize your headings. So this should be the H2. This should be the H2 as well. They can be, yeah, So heading was already optimized because I already did these things on this doc. So you can see the headings I have already optimized. So when you guys will optimizing your content article, so you guys make sure to guys will optimize your headings and your text as well. Okay. So when you guys will optimize your article, so after that you guys will insert, if you wanting to insert some images, so there is a option to, you guys will click on the plus button, and there is a image option to, while you guys will upload image from your desktop, either insert from URL. Okay. So there is a option to, guys will also insert images as well in this article. And once you guys will optimize your article, now the time is to, you guys will insert a hyperlink of your website. So simply select any of keyword, and you can click on the, you can see the, this is the link icon, you can click on this, and there you can paste your website URL, and you can click on this arrow icon. Then you guys are able to insert hyperlink on this on your targeted keyword. Okay. So now we did all the things. So simply you can click on the post, and there is a set feature image option, so you can click on this, you can select image from your desktop. Let me use screenshot what I recently taken. Feature image is taking a time, so what I can do, so image is updated, then you guys will add your image alt text. Then after that you can click on the set picture, set a feature image. Then after that, once you guys will complete all the things, so then you guys will if you wanting, so you can add your tags as well, but there is no any option to where we can add tag. Traditional versus virtual interviewing, and after that add subtitles. So once you guys will complete all the things, so simply after that you can click on the publish button, you can click on the 2 time publish. So our article is successfully published now, so simply you can click on the view post button, and you can see our article is successfully published now. And if I can show you in incognito, so this is instant approved article backlink or not, guest posting article backlink or not. So you can see our backlink is live now, traditional versus virtual interview, this taking a time for the loading. And I can also show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys will see this is 100% do follow backlink, there is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So today we have created a very high quality do follow guest posting backlink with instant approved. So this is a process for the guest posting on this site. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and like button, because these things motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.